Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share this addition to my car's interior. As my car has gotten older, I love to make additions that just spruce it up, and these red seat covers from HAITOUR make the seats feel brand new. First, what I love is the added support they give my seats. After 10 years, my seats didn't have much support, and now with these seat covers, I have firm cushioning to help support my back again. And I especially enjoy this on long road trips that I often take around the state. Second, these seat covers were very easy to install. With a second pair of hands, you can have it done in less than an hour. The finish of these seats is very beautiful and comfortable, and I just really love the wine red color. My mother saw it and she said it looks like a sport car. And also having these seat covers helps to protect my original seat upholstery, so that if I ever do choose to sell my car, my seats will be in great condition. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.